Okay, good day, my beautiful students. Today, we are going to solve this problem that we have on the board using two methods, okay? And the question is coming from dy dx, that is differentiation. Now, we are going to, you like shortcut, like easier way. So let me just say method one, okay? We are going to use shortcut. If they ask you to find dy dx, all you have to do is use this number here, which is 6. Use it and multiply anything that you have here, which is 3. We now have differentiate this sign. We know that when you differentiate sign, we get cos. Write this function back, which is what 6s. So finally, this time this is what 18 cos 6x. Okay, this is what the answer to the problem. So the formula says, or the method says, use any number you have here, put it here. If you have any number there, multiply it with that number. Differentiate sign, and you know that when you differentiate sign, you get cos. So that is the reason why we have this cos. Okay. Now we have this function. Write it back. We have this function. That is the first method. Now the second method is to use chain rule or function of function. Function of function says to find the y dx, you are going to use dy, okay, dy, the du multiplied by what? Du, the what? Dx. This one is for what? Function of function. So that when du cancel this du, we still have the y dx, okay? So the problem is what? What is u? We don't have u. U here means, look at the function. Anything you have here is your u. So put it as what? 6x. Okay, we are differentiating u with respect to what? X. So when you differentiate this, there is 1 here. 1 times 6 is what? 6. We have x. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Remember, in differentiation, we use this to multiply this minus this 1. So this will give me what? 6 in bracket of x raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So when you multiply, du dx is equal to, this time this will give me what? 6. Okay. Now look at this function. Y is equal to 3 sine of the whole of this. You call it what? U. The whole of 6s is what? U. So we put u here. So in this case, we are now seeing the y du, y changing with respect to u, this variable. So we have 3 here. Differentiate sign, we get what? Cos u. Okay, because when you differentiate sine u, you get cos u. So this will now give me what? 3 cos of what? U. Okay, now how do we find the y dx? Remember our formula. The formula says if you want to find the y dx, it is going to be what? Dy du times what? Du the what? X. Okay, so what is dy du? Dy du is what? 3 cos what? U multiplied by what is du dx? Du dx is what? We have it, okay, we have it as what? 6. Okay, so this multiply this will give me what? 6 times what? 3 cos what? U. And this time this is what? 18. We have cos of u. And this is 18 cos. What is u? Remember we said that u is what? 6x. We come and put what? 6x. Look at this solution and look at this solution. They are still the same thing, which means you can use any method to solve it in case you are in examination. Thank you and God bless you.